Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be unboxing the INTPW 4K triple display USB-C docking station. And now this docking station is USB-C. It is upward compatible with laptops that have a Thunderbolt 3 or 4 port as well. And but it is a USB-C, so it can be used with laptops that have a USB Type-C. You do have your user manual here. Move that out of the way. Over here, we'll open this really fast just so you can see. It does come with the power supply, and you've got your power brick, pretty decently long cord, and then you also they do also include a Type-C to Type-C for you as well. So that all comes in the box, as well as the star of the show, which is a dock. Now this dock is very capable. It has a lot of ports, but it's not that big, which is probably the most surprising part. If you see it, look at it online, you would think that it was going to be huge because of everything it does and all the ports it has. But it's really not that big. I mean, you can see, I have small hands. And it's handheld, so that's awesome. It's not really meant to be a quote-unquote portable dock, but it's so small it is easily portable. Nice aluminum frame to help keep it cool, and then nice rubber feet on the bottom. So an important part is the ports. First of all, let's talk about the display ports you get on here. You get 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort. This is triple display. Now the way this works is, it's going to depend on your laptop and the capabilities of your computer. But if your computer supports DisplayPort 1.4, then that's the maximum. Then you can get, if you're just using 1 display, then you can get a full Ultra HD and 60 Hertz. If you're using 2, then you can get 2 and full 4K Ultra HD with 30 Hertz. If you're doing the triple display, then you're going to get 1 and full 4K with 30 Hertz, and then 2 and 1080p. And you can do different combinations of the HDMI and DisplayPort to get that, but those are the resolutions you get. Now, if your laptop only supports DisplayPort 1.2, then you're going to be slightly different. Now, as far as what you can get on your displays, whether you're mirroring your computer or actually having 3 different displays, that depends totally on the capabilities of your computers. Different computers are going to support different capabilities to do that, so you have to check out your computer specs for that. But that is what this dock is capable of doing. Now, also on the back here, you've got, well, I'm calling this the back because the power cord plugs in there, so that this probably would be considered the back. Well, first let's look at this. This is the Type-C. This is where you connect your laptop or your computer to this dock, and you can use that Type-C cord they included in the box to do that. You've got your Ethernet port, 1 gigabit per second capable, so you can get super fast internet through that. You've got a digital optical audio out, so if you are using high spec speakers or a sound bar, something like that, you can use the optical to get high fidelity optical audio out. Then you have your 2 USB 2.0 ports. Standard USBs are old school. 2 USB 2.0, so you're going to get 480, I think 480 megabits per second out of those. Good for like plugging in a either an older hard drive that doesn't have a fast speed, or for your wireless receiver for a mouse and a keyboard. You can plug into there. Then you've got a USB 3.0 Type-C. That'll get you 5 gigabits per second speed on those. And then switching over to the front, on the front here, you've got 2 standard USB 3.0s. These, once again, are going to get you 5 gigabits per second of speed. You've got another Type-C, USB-C 3.0 with that 5 gigabits per second speed. Then you've got a standard audio out, so you can use just a regular auxiliary cord to plug your speakers in, or anything else, your headphones. You can plug your headphones into there and get audio out that way. And you've also got your standard mic input. And I like that they separate those out, so you can have a separate mic just plugged into the mic port for your microphone. And then you also get your trans flash and which is micro SD or standard SD card slot. Separate slots, I love that. You don't have to worry about using an SD card adapter for a micro SD card. You can plug it directly in there. And then I believe that right there is going to be your tiny little LED to let you know the power is on. This does support power delivery through here. So once this is plugged in and you have your laptop plugged into the Type-C here, it will charge your laptop as well. It will charge through the dock. So yeah, that's pretty much what you get here. Again, lots of ports, everything you would need for the fast internet, great sound, just up to triple display depending on how you want to use it, and again depending on the capabilities of your actual laptop or MacBook, how you use that, but really nice and not too big, but very, very capable, as well as you get the dock, you get your power cord, and you also get your Type-C cord. So that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and favorite this playlist to keep up with future project reviews, including a full demo video and full review of this product in action. That'll be coming up. So subscribe or favorite this playlist to keep up with that. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Share this video with anyone you know who might be interested. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.